Jillian and I will be teaching you grade 3 math. For this video, we will learn about expanding numbers. Read after me, expanding numbers. Let's go and learn.
Vocabulary. Number 1. 10,000. 10,000. Number 2. Thousand. Thousand. Number 3. 100. 100. Number 4. Tens. Tens. Number 5. Ones. Ones.
In this video, we will learn two things. First, process of expanding numbers. Read after me. Process of expanding numbers. Second one is expanding numbers. Read after me. Expanding numbers. So the process of expanding numbers. So this is the example how we expand numbers. So last video we tackled about place value and we will use that place value in this topic. So for example, we have the number 4, 7, 3, 2, 6. In other words, 47,326. So now let's identify the place value. So the number in place value, so remember, when we identify our place value, let's start from our right side to our left side. Okay, let's review our place value. O stands for ones. T stands for tens. H stands for 100. TH stands for thousand. And TTH stands for 10,000. Let's expand the number 47326. Okay, so in expanding, let's start from our left to our right. So we have 4. The place value of 4 is 10,000. How many zeros do we have for our 10,000? So let's count from 10,000 going to our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 zeros for our 10,000. Now, let's expand for our 1,000 place value. We have the number 7. Okay, 7. Let's write it 7. And how many zeros does 1,000 have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 zeros for our 1,000. Next, let's go to our 100 place. What is the value for our 100? Very good. It is 3. How many zeros does 100 have? Okay, let's count. 100. 1, 2. So there are 2 zeros. Let's put 2 zeros. Now let's proceed to our 10 place. What is the value of our 10? Very good. It's 2. So let's put 2. And how many zeros does tens have? Let's count. 1. Only 1. And then last one, we have our ones or unit. What is the value? 6. Okay, let's put 6. Now, the value of 47,326 will be expanded like this. 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. So this will be the expanded number of this digit. Okay, so now let's have another example. So the process of expanding numbers, first identify your numbers. For this second example, we have 6, 0, 3, 0. Or in other words, we have 6,030. Now let's identify the place value of 6,030. Remember, when we identify, let's start from our right to our left. So 0 is our ones, very good. 3 is our tens. 0 is our hundreds. And 6 is our thousands. Okay, next we have our hundred place. What is the value of our hundred place? Okay, 0. So how many 0 do we have for 100? Let's count. 1, 2. So we have 2. Next to 100 is we have, okay, our tens. What is the value of our tens? Okay, 3. Let's put 3. So how many 0 do we have for tens? Let's count. 1. Only 1. And after the tens, we have the ones. What is the value of our ones? Okay, 0. So let us put it 0. So now, let us write the expanded form of 6,030. So 6,000 plus 30. So we will not put 0, 0, 0, 0 anymore because it is redundant or it is not good anymore. So let's have your exercise time. Answer page 7 to 8 on your math book. First exercise, we have 5 numbers for you to be expanded. Number 1, we have 9, 4, 5, 7 or 9,457. Number 2, we have 1, 7, 2, 1 or 1,721. Number 3, we have 1, 9, 0, 9 or 1,909. Number 4, we have 7, 5, 8, 4 or 7,584. And number 5, we have 4, 4, 6, 5 or 4,465. I give you 5 minutes to answer the following numbers. Okay, now let's check your answer. So the expanded form of number 1 or 9,457 is 9,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7. Did you get it right? Good job. Number 2, what is the expanded form of 1,721? The answer is 1,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 1. Number 3, the expanded form of 1,909 will be 1,000 plus 900 plus 9. Number 4, 7,584. The expanded form will be 7,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 4. And number 5, 4,465. The expanded form will be 4,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 5. So that is the answer for our first exercise. Okay, on page 8, write the following numbers and their place value. Okay, so first, what is O means? Okay, this is our ones. Okay, T means our tens. We will write it here. H, hundreds. TH, thousands. And then TTH is for, very good, our 10,000. Now, these are the numbers that you need to identify the place value. Number 1, we have 1,659. Number 2, we have 3,967. Number 3, we have 5,048. Number 4, 6,521. And number 5, 15,627. I give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay, now let's check your answer. So for number 1, what is the value of our 9? Okay, we will put it in our ones. How about our 5? Okay, tens. Our 6 is 100. And 1 is for 1,000. Number 2, 3,967 will be 7 will be our ones. 6 will be our tens. 9 will be our hundreds. And 3 will be our thousands. Number 3, 5,048. What is our ones? Very good. It is 8. Our tens, 4. Very good. Our hundreds, 0. And our thousand is 5. You get it right. Number 4, 6,521. Our ones will be, okay, 1. Tens, 2. 5 will be our 100. And 6 will be our 1,000. Number 5, 15,627. What is the place value for our ones? We have 7. How about our tens? 2. 6 will be our hundreds. 5 will be our thousands. And 1 will be our 10,000. Okay, for the summary of this lesson, so the process of expanding numbers, first we need to know our number, and then we will identify the place value, and then we will expand it from our place value, and we will have our number expanded. Remember, when we do our identifying of place value, we start from our right to left. And when writing, we start from our left to right. That ends our lesson for this video. Hope you learned many things, and see you next video.